How to enable mirror front facing camera in Blackmagic Camera. So if you're using the Blackmagic Camera as your primary camera on your iPhone, instead of using the default camera on your iPhone or the default camera on your phone, and now you want to make use of the Blackmagic Camera, but you need to turn on the mirror front facing camera on it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do to enable turn on mirror front facing camera on your Blackmagic Camera app is go ahead and open the Blackmagic Camera on your phone. Once you open the Blackmagic Cam, click on settings at the bottom right. Now, on your settings page, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to mirror front facing camera under camera. You see that this is the camera feature. Just scroll down and click on the toggle to turn on mirror front facing camera. Once that is enabled, then you're good to go. So that is to tell you that you've turned on mirror front facing camera on the Blackmagic app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.